See, this was just so cool to see because I watched this video and I just thought, man, God is just the most incredible creator artist. He designed these animals that you see, before the earthquake even hit, they realized that it was coming because apparently they can sense before something happens like that, which is wild. And then they just instinctively circled around their babies to protect them. They got in that circle there, which was just one of those things that I just stood back and went, wow, God, that's incredible.